Right, this is the old bulbs, which are the Halfords 15% brighter H4s halogens. That's them on dip, and that's them on main beam. And we'll see what they're like when we get the H4 LEDs in. This you can't see very much. That's the reversing lights with the regular P21W reverse light bulbs in. I mean, I can see a little bit, but the camera's not picking up much. Sorry about the reverse bleeper. We'll see what it's like when we get the LEDs put in. Well, that's the H4 LEDs fitted. I think it's quite a bit brighter, although I was hoping it was going to be a bit brighter. That's on dip beam, and that is on main beam. I'll see what the reversing lights are going to be like. And this is the LED reversing lights. Camera's still not picking it up, but it's 10 times better than what the old regular bulbs were like. Let you make your own decisions.